Hey guys, I'm back in the shop, Polster 2, as you know. Thanks for joining the channel again. Um, uh, if you're wondering what I've been doing, I haven't posted for a couple weeks, and it's probably been evident. But the reason has been, and I will cut to the other video right now. And we're back. And so as you can see, I've been on vacation at the beach for the last, well, about a week. And then just been busy. I've been waiting for the rings to come in, and they finally came in today so I can work on this stuff. So what we have to do today, I need to clean up the block, and I'm going to take some of the sharp edges off like I keep telling you guys I'm going to do. And that's what today is. Over the weekend, this is Friday, I am going to, over the weekend, I'm going to be working on this bad boy and seeing how much I can get together. I still got to, like I said, I got to check all the clearances and all that happy horse crap. But the block itself looks good, and we're going to roll with it. So that's where we are. And there's the block right there. Just like I did with the heads, I'm going to take and try and just clean off the sharp edges. And so that's what I'm doing right now. All right, now that I can talk again and the compressor's gone, I got the edges pretty much cleaned up like I wanted to. There's not a lot of sharpness on there anymore. So all I'm going to do now, I need to take this brush and try and clean it up. You saw me using yeah, it's a Brillo pad, whatever. Anyways, for the grinder there, the angle grinder, but. I didn't like what it was doing, so I'm just going to use the spray brush or the brush in the bottle and go at it. In case you're wondering, all this is in preparation of trying to get the so I can get it painted. And so the paint will stick, actually, which is a good thing. I think I might need some stronger simple green, though, because I'm not sure how good this is actually doing anything. I only put it 1 to 10 instead of 1 to 1 or whatever between. So it is what it is. Final thing is going to be cleaning out the bores. All right, let me get this thing rolled over. Actually, I'm going to squirt it off first, and then I'll get it rolled over. Yep, I can tell already. I need more simple green in this. The problem that I was having is that the WD-40 that I put on it to keep it from rusting while it was sitting is not coming off of it. So I need to get a little bit more stronger stuff in here, and then it should cut through that WD-40 a little better. She's a pretty block. All right, we're gonna try one more thing here. All right, I got it washed up. It's about as good as I'm going to be able to get it. Next thing I got to do is dry it out. So I'm gonna hit it with some air, and then we'll go from there. Okay, you saw me clean the bores out, but I'm going to I will clean them again, probably several times before we check the gap on the pistons and get all that stuff done. You know, the piston rings, and get all that stuff done. So at least I can wipe this thing down now without cutting my fingers up, which is a very plus thing. I will probably take a clean, for right now, I'll take a clean paper towel and put some WD-40 on it and wipe the piston or the cylinders down so that they don't have any problems. The rest of it really isn't a big problem. The cylinders, I don't want anything happening with them, so we want to keep them fresh. You saw me blow out all of the bolt holes, at least the ones that I saw. Let's see, where am I going with this? I'm doing real good with these paper towels. And I'm dripping all over my motor too. So. What I'm going to do too is as soon as I get this thing where I want it to be at, then I will, dry-wise, what I'm seeing, and get these cylinders, get some oil on them, then I'm going to set it in the sun for a while and let it bake a little bit, evaporate that, whatever other water that's in it, on it. It should evaporate it out pretty quick. know if you guys can see or not, but do you see the little bit of orange that's in that? The reason that you see that is because the cylinders have already started to flash rust, and the WD-40, well, agitation of the WD-40 is taking it off, and that's the reason why we want to put the WD-40 on there, is to keep it from doing that. All right. Next up, we're going to tape this bad boy. So I don't leak on it too much. Oh, wait, no, I'm going to set it out in the sun and let it bake a little bit. That's right. All right, for some reason, I decided not to film all the process of getting this thing maxed up. I'll throw a couple of stills that I had of this with all the tape and stuff on it. Recoated it with some WD-40 to make sure it doesn't surface rust and stuff. But overall, I'd have to say that the color looks good. It's straight Chevy orange is all that is. That's what the sun wanted, so that's what we went with, and which is perfectly fine with me. But I think it turned out really well. I think it looks really nice. The masking and all that, it turned out pretty good. You see, I got a little bit overspray on it, but it's okay. Anyways, this is what I got for you for right now. The rest of this weekend, I'm going to be working on getting the piston rings fitted and all the rest of that. So. I'll probably be taking some videos of that, but I thought I'd catch you guys up, see where I'm at. And yes, I'm still looking at this block going, that's a mighty fine looking block. Anyways, we are in pretty good shape. Yep, got WD-40 all over my thumb now. That's good. Where's the rag? There's a rag. I don't want. WD-40 cleans off really well, so it's not a big deal. Besides that, it's only lubricant at this point. I'll clean off those mating surfaces and stuff before I try to bolt anything to it, but this is where we're at. Hope this video finds everybody well. Please like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, be well.